how I do my shape. So you guys will go here where it says rectangle. So you're gonna take a rectangle, you're gonna click on it, and you see it's gonna come onto a little X. So you're gonna click and drag it. So once you click and you drag it, a square is gonna come out. So you're gonna make that to whatever size you would like your banner to be. I usually make it like 6.875, and this one from length is 5 and from height is 8.5. So after you guys do that, what you have to do is you go here where it says edit points. You're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna go in the middle, and then you're gonna click on the rectangle, and then you're gonna drag it up, and then you're gonna make it however high you would like it. I like it right there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna turn into the banner. So that's how you make the banner for the happy birthday. After you do that, the next step that I do is I go here and I write happy birthday. I usually do one by one happy, because when you write the whole letter, it takes your whole space for your cutting mat, and you want to save space and paper. So I write happy birthday one by one with a letter. So after, I'm just gonna write happy, so I could show you in a sample how to make your letter however big, how bigger you guys want it. So I just select the whole letters, and I will make it to whatever size. You go here in this little arrow right here, and this is what lets you know what size will be your letters. So I click there, and I usually make it 280, depends on the length of the banner that I'm making, or the shape. What you could do is you would drag your banner in the middle, and then you will see if that is fine, if you guys like the size. If you don't like the size and you would like it bigger, so you definitely just go here and make it however size you would like. So after you do that, then you will cut it. You will cut your 13 pieces of this shape, which is the banner, and then you would just cut the happy birthday on here. So now for the face. So how I did the birthday bags, I bought a birthday bag from Amazon. So I bought like a whole pack, black bags. So after I bought the black bags, I bought this from Etsy, and this is the unicorn face that I got from Etsy, like for $2. You guys, it's pretty cheap. I really recommend it. So what you do here is to make it the way that I did it in the bag is you will select the whole thing, the whole face, and then after you select the whole face, you will go to offset select shape. So you're gonna click on there, and as you can see, this white letter, it will come up. Now, oops, what we'll do is right here. So what I will do is I'm gonna make this, because you see as we can't see it, so I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna make it black. So I'm gonna go here with the line and open the line style and go here in the color line style. You're gonna click in there, and this is gonna show the colors. So you could choose whatever color you would like. I would choose black because that's the color that it will show more in our mat, since our mat is white. So what we will do is come here, select it, and then select the black. It's not letting me do it, so let me just move it. Okay, it's already there. So this is your shape, as you can see. So after you're there, what you do is you're gonna select the whole thing again, and you're gonna right click on it, and then you're gonna release compound path. Which that does is gonna release all these little pieces that you do not want. So you're gonna take it out, and then you're gonna go ahead and delete all these pieces that you don't want. After that, it leaves you with this, and this is what I use for the bag. So what you do next is to know what size you will do. So you will go to your mat over here, which is your page setup, and you will, where it says over here where it says custom at the bottom of that, this width and height, this tell you how big your mat is. So what you will do is put the size of your bag. So my bag from width is 6, so you will put 6, and from length is 11, which we don't need the height, but I'm just gonna put it there. And then after that, this is the size of your bag, so you know how big to cut the shape. So you would just drag it out and make it, let me make it bigger way so you guys can see it better. Okay, let me bring it up. Okay, perfect. So what you will do is you're gonna make it the same size of the bag, so you know that one will be good. So then that will be how you would cut it. So then you would just cut that piece and glue it to your bag. And then for the eyes, you will do the same thing for the eyes. Just let's ungroup this and ungroup. Let's take the eyes. We're gonna ungroup this side to release compound path. And we're gonna take the eye and bring it up. But with the eye, you have to be careful because it has to be the same size. And as you can see, this one is big. We have to put these two together so they could be the same size. Because if you don't put it together, then you're not gonna know which size. If you reduce one eye, you're not gonna know the other side of the eye. So this is how you make it together. And then you make it however big you want it in your bag and that they fit. I think that would be perfect. And then there you go, there you have it. That's how you make your bag. So now what I would do, I would cut this whole thing out and then I will tape it. Right guys, so this is how the bag, after you cut it, you just glue it in there and you glue the eyes to the bag, and this is how the bag came out, very pretty. So after I did the bag, what I did next was the flower, which I used 3 different small petals, a large, a medium, and a small, and a big one. So I need 6 of each. So I need 6 small, 6 medium, and 6 large. So after I did that, what I do is you would just cut it in the middle. Well, after you cut it in the middle, you will have to put some glue. Put some glue. Put a little bit of glue right here, and then you will just close it so it can just stand up like that. So after you do that, you will have to bend it a little bit. So you could do it with a pen, or you could just roll it down, however you would like it. So it could look. So this is I'm almost done. I only need 2 more petals. After we did that, we continue gluing each one in here. So I just need 1 more. You just put the glue on top and then you just press it down over here. Okay, so we're gonna do this to all of them, and then I have the big one, the medium one, and the small one. So after I did that, what I do is I put glue at the bottom, and then I would just glue it to the middle. Perfect. And then I would do it with a small one. I will put glue at the bottom, and I'm gonna glue it there. So after I glue it, I'm gonna be, you can make one of those. I cut this one that I got, the one that I told you guys that I got from Exit. I'm gonna glue it for the middle. And that's how my flower came out. So that's how I did the flower for the wall. I already showed you guys how to do the bag and the flower, the bag, and the banner. So I hope you guys enjoy and you learned something from me. If you want to tell me something that I did wrong and you think there's a better way to do it, don't hesitate. Just let me know. I'm here learning and I want to learn with you guys. And if we can share point of view and how to do things, I don't mind to learn. I love arts and crafts, so let's love it together. So don't forget to like my page and subscribe, please. Thank you.